What's up everyone? I'm Diana and welcome to Crypto Moon. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Wayru. But before we begin, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Decentralized Internet service provider with diversified ownership for the developing world's metropolitan areas. Join us in constructing the future of today's internet. Operators of nodes. Join the global internet node network. Earn prizes by operating a node. WayruOS is a collection of protocols that allows anyone to join our network and help us connect more people. Assist in bringing connection to your neighborhood. With off-the-shelf Wi-Fi gear, anybody can set up a node. Local internet users can connect to your node. Earn WRU for every connected user. Analyze your rewards in real time. Hodler's Guide. Earn prizes by staking Wayru tokens. Reward yourself for securing a node. Our staking offerings are designed to help us better serve internet users while also rewarding WRU holders. There will be a minimum amount of WRU necessary, amount TBA. A minimum of 6 months is necessary. During the staking time, funds are completely frozen. Long-term stakers will be rewarded more. Stakers will have vote and governance rights. Supporters of altruism. Get an airblock to help connect the disconnected. When you purchase an airblock, NFT, you provide internet connection to those in Latin America who are in need of connectivity. Each airblock comes with a one-of-a-kind depiction of the airblock for collectors or secondary market trade. Each transaction provides internet access to persons in need. It includes a one-of-a-kind NFT art of an airblock. Gather your airblocks for future trade. Make a donation to a city of your choice. Roadmap to decentralizing internet infrastructures. Q1 2022. Seed sale. Testnet launch. Deploy first pilot node. Q2 2022. Launch first airblock collection. Deploy nodes in various communities. Establish strategic partnerships. Q3 2022. Launch mobile app. Beta node operators launch. Private sale. Pre-IDO. Q4 2022. Public sale, IDO. Mainnet launch. WRU staking launch. Partners. Borderless Capital, Big Brain Holding, LVT Capital, Algorand Foundation, and many more. Obtain an NFT to assist in connecting the disconnected. Let us use the power of donating to connect 1 million people to the internet. Become an airblocker and be a positive force in the world. Supporters of altruism. When you purchase an airblock, NFT, you provide internet connection to those in Latin America who are in need of connectivity. Each airblock comes with a one-of-a-kind depiction of the airblock for collectors or secondary market trade. NFT collection of 10,000. Algorand blockchain minted. Plus 200 distinctive characteristics. Hand-drawn characteristics. Full commercial rights over your NFT. There are roughly 4 billion individuals who are disconnected. A problem handled jointly is a problem shared. 1 out of every 2 individuals alive today does not have access to the internet. The United Nations deemed internet access to be a human right, yet over 4 billion people worldwide do not have access to it. In Latin America alone, about 400 million people are unconnected, and much of the telecom industry is managed by a few legacy providers, which is why so many people are still disconnected today. All airblock sales will go toward building internet networks in low-income regions and providing free access to those residents. To utilize the network, users must view advertisements for free access in order for the network to be self-sustaining. Give internet equals NFTs. Airblocks is a collection of 10,000 Algorand blockchain NFTs. Each of us, the airblockers working behind the scenes to offer connection to everyone in emerging countries, is represented by a unique image. Benefits of being an airblocker. You get some interesting rewards in addition to donating to an important cause and being a part of the change. Rights to commercial property. Owners of airblocks have the right to replicate the NFT in their possession for commercial reasons such as goods sales. Governance. Airblock holders, will have governance over the use of royalty monies, and by staking their airblocks during governance time, they will be able to vote. Community. You'll be a member of a small group that is transforming the globe while simultaneously reinventing NFT utility. Holders will be able to attend private and public events, participate in games, prizes, and raffles, and have early access to all subsequent generations and releases. Discounts. At our IDO later this year, all holders will have access to a reduced token pricing. We will deploy 50 internet nodes for every $100,000 invested. Each internet node can accommodate up to 200 concurrent users, which equates to approximately 10,000 individuals connected at any given moment. Airblocks will allow a low-income neighborhood to have control over their connectivity. We will preserve 5% of the airblocks for community participation, freebies, raffles, and team building since we all want a great PFP. The sharing economy on the internet. Wayru's network hacks the traditional telecom paradigm of developing, running, and owning internet infrastructure to help close the digital divide once and for all. Wayru's network uses two types of currency, WRU and Wi-Fi credits. Token WRU. The Wayru token is obtained through utilizing the network, extending the network, or staking for network strengthening. Credits for Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi credits are used to access the internet via WFI-enabled devices. WRU is the sole way to acquire Wi-Fi credits. WRU 10B max supply. Released after 20 years. WRU coins are issued to node operators, stakers, and investors in exchange for their assistance. At a public auction later this year, we will release 3% of the circulating supply, 300 million. The remaining supply will be released over the next 20 years for the task of stakers and node operators. Inflation of the network with time. Deflationary conduct offers greater incentives for early network supporters and operators who reach inflation zero in year 20. This balances the risks and rewards for node operators and stakeholders at various stages of network development. Credits for Wi-Fi. The sole way to connect to Wayru's internet network. Users can utilize Wi-Fi credits to connect to Wayru's global internet network. Wi-Fi credits may be purchased for as little as $0.0005 per megabyte. The minimum number of Wi-Fi credits that may be purchased is 1 gigabyte. Wi-Fi credits may only be purchased using WRU. While the average cost per GB in LATAM is more than $3 per gigabyte, Wayru's ambition is to reduce it to $50 per gigabyte to begin with. Meet the team. Our mission is to provide simple, reliable, and affordable internet access, empowering everyone in LATAM to get online. Chaval. Chedrao. Founder and CEO. Edward. Calderon. Co-founder CTO. Paula. Sabolos. Co-founder CCO. Nisi Molina. Telecom Director. Diego. Serrano. Software Architect. Augustin Guillen. Front-end Developer. Advisors. Michael. Cotton. Strategic Advisor. Borderless. Capital. Strategic Advisor. LVT. Capital. Strategic Advisor. So that's all for Wayru. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon.